This cement mixer is old, it's beat, it's rustic, and now I'm gonna fill it with plants. A spinning planter. Don't break, don't break. Kinda hangout thing. My friend Ryan was moving and he was nice enough to give this to me.
This thing's been in the skate family for a long time. I needed this to build the bowl in my backyard. Turned out there were some electrical problems, so every time we touched this while it was spinning, we were getting shocked.
It's heavy.
So where are you gonna put this thing?
I don't know. I'm kind of like hiding it from my landlord.
Liking and subscribing will help with the hiding.
With the justification if someone finds it.
Yeah.
Oh. Is that the wrong way? Oh no! Help me. Oh my gosh. The main reason I took the cement mixer from Ryan was because it spun. I had never seen a spinning planter before and figured I'd give it a try. I hope this cord still works. I smashed it. I'm like scared of this thing. Oh my God. Okay, it works. Actually, it didn't work. You gotta loosen it up a little bit. Okay, let's try that again. Basically, the problem is that this is too loose and it's not providing enough tension to stick to the wheel and turn the mixer. String, some electrical tape, and I think that's gonna give the tension needed to spin this thing. Please, please, please. No! I'm going on a trip. My landlord's going to see it. Someone was going to come pick it up in a trailer and take it to a new home, but they bailed. So now I'm going to still put a plant in it and hope that that's better than my landlord finding an empty cement mixer. I've decided that a good spot for this cement mixer is over here where I have all my baby plants. I had to get a lot of stuff out of the way before I could roll the mixer in. Come on, let's go. Come on. So I got the mixer kind of parked here in the corner under this tree. I think it's going to look really cool. Bright green leaves of this plant I'm putting in here are going to really contrast well with the purple leaves from this tree. I forget the name, but I'll put it in the video. The white handle stood out like a sore thumb to me, so I took it off. Oh no, it's in the pool. Oh no, 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 don't sink, don't sink. It definitely sank. No, come on, come on. I found this plant in an alley one day when I was riding my bike. I went back and picked it up in my car. It was not in good shape. I think it's called a Tree Aeonium. It's really bounced back in my care. It's a crazy plant. It's outgrown this pot. It's just a good plant, I think, for this cement mixer. It's starting to rain out here. I had to be careful rolling the Tree Aeonium so that its long branches didn't snap off. Oh, come on. No, it's the last thing. I added water and used my hands to loosen it up. Boy, this is just one side of this too. This is gonna be tough. Laying the plant down and sliding it out seemed like the best option. Yeah, there we go. There we go. The problem is it's wider inside and skinnier outside. So I'm trying to pull out something that's bigger than the top gap. And what I might have to do, it's coming, is I'm getting it. Yes. Yes, I got it. I got it. We got it. Right in time for the rain. Put the ladder like that. Heavy wet soil. Now I'm gonna kind of break up these clumps. Look at that fat rock in there. What the heck is that? I'm pushing the dirt up the sides because I gotta kind of make a little basin there and kind of pack this up against the walls. It was transplant time and it wasn't going to be easy. Ugh. Sketch, sketchy, sketchy, sketch. The Tree Aeonium was extremely top heavy. Don't break, don't break, don't break. I got it steady and couldn't believe none of the branches broke off. It's in there. All right, see if I can get the desired kind of hangout thing. After getting the plant situated where I wanted it, I added soil. I'm excited on how this thing turned out. It looks really cool. It's just some craziness busting out of this old cement mixer. These seem pretty strong and they're very pliable. I mean, look at the curve on this. These things just kind of curve and go and they're strong. I'm gonna just top this right here, take that extra weight off, take the pressure off. That's gonna also give these little shoots here, you know, more of the power off the plant. And then I'll plant these somewhere because this is a really cool plant. I'm going to put something in front of this so that no one's inclined to move it.